Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on professional dashboard. After that, tap on settings. Next, tap on search bar. Then type switch account type. After that, tap on it. Next, you can see the option of switch to personal account. Tap on it. Then tap on switch to personal account. Then wait for a while. So, this is how you can switch to personal account on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.